Hello, my name is Jerry Garrettson, Tabea Law. Today I want to talk about the subject of green cards and how do I get my green card. Sorry about that. How do I get a green card? So that's what we want to talk about briefly here. What is a green card? A green card is a card that identifies your legal status in this country, an LPR, legal permanent resident. Thus, you are it's an immigrant visa that allows you to stay here indefinitely. So it's a step lower than citizenship, but in other words, you can't vote at this point in most jurisdictions, or I think all jurisdictions, don't quote me on that. But as a green card holder, you can you have a bunch of other rights. You can stay here. That's the main thing. Okay, so how do I get my green card? What's the best way to get my green card? Now, a lot of these questions can be answered just by going online, just by going to the USCIS, United States Citizenship and Immigration Services. Go to that website, uscis.com, and you can fill out online forms. The I-130 is the traditional path for your to start the green card process. Eventually, you're going to do a 480 I-485. And of course, it depends if you're going to do it via consular processing or a transfer of, well, sorry, I'm kind of getting over my skis a little bit here. Or if you're in country, you're going to want to do an adjustment of status. Okay, but that's if you already have a status. If you're here, say, if you came over here without inspection, then you don't have a status, right? So that's not an option for you. So anyways, what I want to say here is that it's pretty simple to fill out forms and to move forward that way. If it's clean cut, the reason why you have attorneys like myself involved is so that you're making sure that all the T's are crossed and all the I's are dotted, and that you don't have issues, or the issues are limited. Strategy is the idea. So attorneys help you strategize. So let's just say this. And of course, we help you fill out the forms too, but things tend to get complicated quickly. So it's not just you coming over to this country. Generally, it's you and a couple of kids or other family members. And so how can we get everybody over here the best way, the fastest way, the legal way? And so that's where an attorney comes in. And even just for simple I-130s, it's good to have a second set of eyes looking at what you're putting down. Sometimes even that can get complicated. If the marriage, if it's an immediate family scenario and it's a spouse and there's a marriage involved and the marriage is unusual, then you're definitely going to want to get an attorney involved to make sure that you, first of all, it has to be a legitimate marriage. It cannot be fraudulent, or that's not the way to go. That's not going to work. But anyways, so there's a lot of different ways that an attorney can help you. Of course, fill out the forms. That's something you can do on your own. But generally, the value of an attorney is for strategy and for helping you know which way to go, help you to expedite the situation, help you to make sure that the forms are sent to the right people and done correctly, and all the rest of it. So anyways, how do you get your green card? The simple answer is to go to the right website, generally uscis.com. It's the first place you go. Fill out the forms and go through the process. Do you have to have an attorney? No, you don't have to. Is it a good idea to get an attorney? In most cases, I'd say yes. I'd say yes. If you want to do it in the quickest possible way and lessen the situation for mistakes and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll talk to you next time. Thank you.